Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to design an awesome AI-powered logo with Canva? Let's dive in together! Click Create, then select Custom Size to choose your design dimensions. Next, go to Apps, select Apps in the left panel. Then find Logo Maker. Select Logo Maker. If unavailable, choose Elements instead. Type the kind of logo you want to create in the search box here. Create a chart using the Math Formula option. Click Generate to create the content here. Use Canva AI 1.0 to generate a logo. It will provide 4 different design options. Choose the best panel, then click to add it to your design. After clicking, the panel appears with your logo included in the design. Generated by Canva AI 1.0. Now position it in the center of your design. Then, enlarge this by dragging the corner handles. You can change or add a color to this element. Modify it until you're satisfied, then click Share and Download. You can also increase the size or adjust other settings before saving your design. Adjust image size for the best download quality. Now you know how to create an AI logo in Canva and subscribe for more creative tips.